Well, welcome back to the channel and welcome to Stafford for the International Classic Motorcycle Show. It's Friday today, so everybody's setting up. I'm here for the weekend, so I thought I'd bring you along with me and we'll have a look at some bikes. Catch you in a bit. These Commandos look really nice. Fitted with the Olin suspension. Of course, we've got a new identity these days, so this is the last of the old new Nortons. It's got to be worth a punt, isn't it? The famous Aerial 3, the bike that killed the British bike industry, allegedly. Personally, I think it was knackered before they came up with that. So the main hall is full of traders and the clubs. There are some obscure clubs here, actually. Such as the Lancashire Slow Riders. Diesel Bantam, anyone? It's just some of the bikes on the Bantam Owners Club stand. I think they're a very active club actually, and you can still get plenty of spares for Bantams, so they are popular. So I'm on the Royal Enfield stand. We've got a nice flat tanker here. What's this then, Colin? I'm bound to know. Very well turned out bikes on the reg stand. Very nice looking stand as well. Remember when BMW made the scooter with the canopy? Can't remember what it was called now. Was it C200 or C125? No information on this. Look at that. Well, I've no idea what this is. Apparently it's a Quasar. 2 wipers. How strange. That's in fact 1981, looking at that reg. How bizarre. I do like this KMX. These were everywhere when I was young. And they've got TZR as well. Excellent. Wow, look at that colour. Ah, it's a silk. (1973). An ancient engine like that. I don't think the Japanese had anything to worry about, did they? A nice early Sprint 900. That's tidy, that is. Got a late Bonneville here. So it's got the left hand gear change. So it's probably 76 or something like that. Completely wrong, 79. So really quite late. A lovely 1949 Thunderbird. Right, it's time to walk back to the camper van, crack open a beer, I think. What a lovely evening. You do get some tat at these places though. The first day of the show, about 8 o'clock. All is quiet so far. The show opens at 9. A few of the traders are still setting up. The quality of the traders though is varied, to say the least. There's some awful tats here. I was looking there later for a jacket. It's probably the only premium brand store there is selling motorcycle clothing here. Great Escape. whiz through the concourse while the show's not open. See plenty of 500 Triumph twins, stuff like this that interests me. Beautiful machine. Never come out the factory that bright, did it? Let's be honest. It's clearly a passion project. Matchless G80, the last throw of the dice for Matchless. It uses the Rotax engine. I think they're just a clothing brand now. Shame really. So this must have been Benelli's answer to the CBX. And these were at the Bristol show, but I didn't quite get to see them properly. So if you want a budget combination, £9 gets you this. It's quite charming in its own way. There's not only classic bikes here, there is some new stuff as well. And these are a bit of a bargain. It's the Hero X Pulse Pro, and they've got a normal one. Now I think there was a delay of these coming into the country, but they seem to have them. I think they're about £2.5 or something. Very cheap. be honest, the fit and finish is quite good. Nice low seat height too. I think the Pro comes with slightly longer suspension and a higher seat. Probably can't see this on camera, but the Kettle Club have got a smoke machine going. £5. Sometimes you see some interesting stuff in the normal bike parking. Old GPZ 500S. Mrs. Life out and about passed her test on one of these.
Good love could do.
Well, welcome to Sunday. It's a bit more overcast today. Yesterday was unseasonably warm. So the plan today is to maybe have a look at the trials area and have a look in the Prestwood Hall. I can't remember which it's called. So catch you in a bit. In the Prestwood Hall now. Some auto cycles. Ducati. Wow. Didn't know they made auto cycles or little mopeds. You don't get much more original than this. V-twin engine. That saddle looks in reasonably good condition for something so old. Lovely. Buy a scooter and girls will love you. According to the period advertising. Wow, look at that paintwork. Hopefully the camera's picking it up. Not sure how anybody actually likes it. It's 2 foot off the ground, is that? So I snuck into Bonham's auctions. And just about to start up, I think. Loads of machines going through today. There's a few BMWs for sale in the auction. This one, 1927, 22 to 28,000 pounds apparently. That's tidy. That's a Nimbus, the inline 4-cylinder. Very simple frame on these. It's all pressed steel dash. That looks painful. So I'm at the trials demo now. Never seen this before, so let's have a watch.
Where that white post is, that's out of the section. So now I'm going to get him to do it and bugger it up, just so that I can show you how it marks. I've said that now and it will actually, he'll give me a 5, a full 5, I bet you. Come on Danny boy. Give me a 3. Oh, that's a 5, because he stalled it. So he stalled the bike, so that's a 5. So give me what you would class as a 3. But all over. Or from there. So he's put his foot down once there, his bike didn't stall, it went into electric, so that's 1. That's a 2. That's a 3. So this is where it changes now. So if you push your foot down again, which is a 3, 3, 3, 3. It's still on a 3. So if he dabs all the way through the section, as long as he's moving, it's only classed as 3 marks. We don't use the Mark 4, we never have done, don't know why. I think it's whoever did the rules didn't like the number 4, must have been their unlucky number. And then the maximum you can lose in a section, which is what he's just done, is 5 marks. To get 5 marks,
So I think I'll wrap the video up here. It's been a great weekend. The weather has been excellent. It's been well attended as well. I think the weather's helped that. So I'll catch you in the next one, I suppose. Take care. Ride safe.